Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today, let's see most popular South Indian breakfast recipe Ven Pongal or Khara Pongal. It is the simplest and easiest recipe with two main ingredients, rice and dal. This is offered as Naivedyam to God not only at home but in temples as well. It is especially prepared during harvest festival of Sankranti. For this recipe, take 1 cup of rice. This is ponni raw rice. Use this rice instead of regular Sona Masuri rice for pongal. Take half cup plus 2 tablespoons of moong dal and dry roast for few minutes only until you smell nice aroma from moong dal. Now, take this rice, wash couple of times with water and drain the water. In a pressure cooker, take 5 cups of water and add the rice and the dal, 1 tablespoon of ghee, salt to taste. Now close the lid and pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Now let's see. Rice and the dal are nice and soft. Mix it once, gently. If the rice is slightly uncooked, you can add more hot water and cook it. Now for the tempering, heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add cashew nuts. Fry the cashew nuts until they turn golden brown in color. Now take them into a separate bowl. In the leftover ghee, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, chopped ginger, few curry leaves and half tablespoon of crushed pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. The tempering is now ready. Add this tempering to the cooked rice and dal mixture. Mix the tempering well until everything is well combined. Pongal is now ready. To prepare a simple coconut chutney, in a blender take coconut, roasted gram dal, 2 chilies, few curry leaves. Blend to a smooth paste with some water. Add salt and add the tempering. That's it, coconut chutney is ready. You can serve the pongal on a banana leaf. Drizzle some ghee, fried cashew nuts on the top of the pongal and serve hot with coconut chutney and tiffin sambar. This is a protein-packed, delicious food with aroma of ghee and tempering. Pongal is comfort food for many people as it is quick to prepare and light on stomach. You can have this pongal any time of the day for breakfast, lunch or dinner while it's still hot. Do try this pongal recipe for Sankranti and you will love the taste of it. Let us know how it turns out in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!